I'm going to cut across to some big breaking news coming in. In fact, Karnataka's elections is just barely 2 days away. We're looking at 26th of April when the city of Bengaluru and the southern parts of Karnataka goes to polls. And in the meanwhile, we have income tax raids that's been reported across Bengaluru city. 16 locations that's been raided. Big news coming in, massive raids in Bengaluru. We're looking at nearly 16 locations in Bengaluru that's currently raided by the Income Tax Department. Huge gold and cash haul in tax raids. In fact, industrialists, gold merchants have been raided. Over 18 kgs gold have been seized in Bengaluru city. This is, of course, just 2 days ahead of elections in Karnataka. The first phase of polling goes on 26th of April, where southern parts of Karnataka, including the city of Bengaluru, votes. And here you have massive income tax raids that have been launched in Bengaluru city. 16 locations in Bengaluru raided by the income tax. I'm going to cut across. Anaga is joining us live from Bengaluru itself. Anaga, 16 locations raided where we hear industrialists, gold merchants have been raided with nearly kgs. I'm told about 18 kgs of gold that's been seized. Give us more on the kind of people, the kind of industrialists, any big names that we have who've been raided and are currently under the IT scanner.
Nabila, we have a lot of businessmen, especially when it comes to gold business. They are the ones who are being targeted and they are the ones who are being raided. You know, we have shop proprietors, jewelry shop owners, businesses across different fields. Everybody were raided in this 2-day operation, you know, that went on for 2 days continuously. And we were also told that this raid is, you know, was a bit unexpected for them. None of them had an iota of clue that so-and-so raid was going to happen on them. Let me just read out a few numbers for you, Nabila. A total sum of 1 crore and 33 lakh has been seized so far. About 22 kg of gold and several Benami properties have been seized in this raid conducted by the IT sleuths. Big news coming in. About 16 locations were raided across Bengaluru. It was a 2-day search operation just ahead of elections. Even few days back, even in a locality as prime as Jainagar, a huge sum of money was spotted in the backside of a car. Now, police across Karnataka are on high alert. They are checking every single toll point to sort of prevent any sort of cash transfer that is happening between two cities.
All right, do we know of any big names? Of course, we know that this is a day after Amit Shah has landed. In fact, Amit Shah was there. He has been campaigning for the BJP. Just a day after Shah has landed, a raid of such nature, income tax raids, blanket across different locations in Bengaluru city, which is a business hub. What exactly does this really signify at this point here, Anaga? We know that polling is in just 2 days. So 18 kgs of gold is not a big seizure, but raiding nearly 17 locations and multiple industrialists, what kind of message is it sending out?